What is it to grow? Is it to be better at something? To improve? Perhaps it's about being brave, to discover. Maybe it's moving closer, to reach. We are your bridge between life-changing therapies and patients. A bridge that now reaches further than ever before. Driving development and connecting commercialization. As our capabilities increase, the gap reduces. And now we are truly spanning the cycle. From the challenge we face to the victory we celebrate, a truly integrated global proposition. Improving experience, exceeding expectation, evolving the end-to-end solution. Multiple delivery systems, patient perfect, where integrity and ingenuity are united. Broadening our biologics footprint together. Complex formulations and high potency. Your drug product destination surrounded by solutions. Rely on us to navigate risk, reduce complexity, and reveal the route, reaching the world that awaits. This is what it is to grow. We are better, we are bolder, and we are your bridge. Let's talk future.